Welcome to Move HQ. In this video, we will review the personalization of module list view using filters. Within Move HQ, you will find list views within most modules. We give you the ability to customize your view and/or create several views within each module list. You will start by selecting the module from the blue menu bar. The current list view is dictated based on the filter selected here. I am going to create a new filter to show you the functionality. To do this, I go to the Actions button and select Create New Filter. Within the Create New Filter window, you will name your view. As an example, if you would want to show the leads for interstate moves only, we can label this Interstate Leads. You have the ability to set this as a default display when it would open your list view. You can also have this display this information from this filter on your home widget selection. If you select Set as Public, it allows every user to use this filter in their drop-down list of filters on the lead list. Assign to Agent allows you to assign the filter to a specific agent and/or branch. Next, we will choose the columns that we want to display in the order we want these columns will appear. We click on the Add More Columns box to see the list of our options. You will notice that some of the options have a star next to them. You must have at least one of the starred options in your list. Also note that the last name is required for search functionality. So I'm going to select the fields that I would like to display. First I want his first name, so I do have the ability to scroll down to first name, or I can start typing and it'll also populate the field for me. So let's go lead source. I'm going to take the primary phone number. I'm going to look at the load from date. I would like the origin city, the destination city, and assign to. So from here I'm going to hit save so we can see what that looks like. So this is what the filter looks like based on my selections that I've made. So now I want to make a change to my filter because I only want to show leads that are assigned to me and only household goods interstate leads. So to change my filter, I'm going to come back to Actions. I'm going to edit my current filter. And I also would like to put in my origin state here. So I can select this box again. I can start typing origin state, and I'd also like destination state. I do have the ability to move these in the order that I'd like to have them displayed. I'm also going to be adding a condition. So I have two different selections here. I can add where all conditions must be met or any of the one conditions must be met. So in my all conditions, I am going to select commodity, and my commodity is going to equal household goods because I want my interstate leads for household goods. I'm going to add another condition that is my assigned to because I only would like to see leads that I am assigned to. So then I select my name and I can hit save and we can see what that looks like. So now I've got my first, last, lead source, I have my origin city as state, and only ones that I am assigned to. I also can set up a default sort order. So if I come back into edit my current filter, the very bottom is default sort order. So if I wanted to sort it by, let's say, load from date, and I can say that I want it ascending, and I can hit save. It is then going to automatically sort it based on this particular column. So now let's take a look at the different search and sort functionalities within the list view in the module list views. There's several ways to find a record that you're looking for. On the top right hand side, the arrows will allow you to move from page to page. The center one will allow you to skip to a certain page if you'd like. Each page holds 20 records. To clear the search that you're in, you're just going to select Leads List from your left-hand toolbar or your left-hand window. You can also use the global search, and you can do it for all records or leads. You can use your global search as well. You can use the alphabet within each module, and it's going to sort by the last name. You can also, if I'm going to clear this search again, so I can also sort per column. So if I know my last name is Smith, I can type in Smith and I can search, and it's just going to pull my last name. So you can do that within each one of the columns. Again, to end that search, I'm just going to hit Lead List and it'll clear it out. And you can sort each column either ascending or descending by just clicking on the header name, depending on what you would like to sort. And again, to clear that sort, you're going to come back to your main module lead list. Well, that's about all on personalizing your module module list view using filters. I hope it was helpful.